In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your OspreyFx account and make sure that they get accredited in the fastest way possible. First of all, you need to have an account with OspreyFx. If you still haven't created one, you can do so by clicking the link in the video description. Using that link will allow you to create an account taking advantage of any bonus or promotion currently available. So once you create your account, you're gonna be redirected on the OspreyFx main dashboard. Here, the first thing that you need to do is verify your account. In fact, without a verification, your account will be capped to maximum $2,000. To verify your account, you simply need to go here on the left menu, click on verification, and as you can see, you're just gonna need to upload a proof of ID. Once you're verified, you're gonna receive this green badge saying verified. At this point, you are ready to deposit money into your account. You just need to go here on the left, click on deposits. Once you're on the section related to deposit, you're gonna need to pick the deposit method that you want to use. By simply clicking here, you will see all the deposit method available, and in my opinion, the best one is this one, USDT ERC20, because as you can see, this is the fastest since it's instant. So we just need to click on it. Then we need to pick if we want to add money to the wallet onto the platform. The main difference is that if we add money to the wallet, we can pick the currency that we want to use. Instead, if we add it to the platform, which means adding to an existing account, we can only use the currency associated with that account. So in this case, let's say that we want to add money to the wallet. We're gonna select the wallet, let's say US dollar, the amount, let's say for example $300, and then we just need to click on Go to Payment. So after you click the Go to Payment button, you're gonna be redirected to this page. Here you're gonna see the address where you need to send the money to, and most importantly, you're also gonna be remembered of the cryptocurrency that you need to use. In fact, in this case, you need to use USDT, and you need to make sure that it is on the Ethereum network. In fact, if you select the wrong network or the wrong crypto, your money will be lost. And at the bottom of the page, as you can see, they also remember you how much money you need to send. So at this point, once you have all this information, you just need to go on your wallet, copy paste this address, make sure that the crypto, the network, and the amount are the same, and then click send. Once the transaction is being processed, the money are going to be accredited in your account, and your main balance is going to change to reflect your deposit. And here where it says history, the status of your most recent deposit is going to change from yellow to green. So there you have it. This is how you make a deposit into your OspreyFx account in the fastest way possible. As I told you at the beginning, if you still don't have an account with OspreyFx, you can open one by clicking the link in the video description. Using that link will allow you to open an account taking advantage of any bonus or promotion currently available.